Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing my Trading 212 stocks and shares ISA. So this is a much smaller account that I have. My main stocks and shares ISAs are with Hargreaves Lansdown and IG. I did a video recently reviewing my entire stocks and shares holdings, so I'll leave the link here for you. So when I started the Trading 212 account at the start of the financial year, I started it off as a fun account. I've always had Trading 212 during investment account. So at the start of last year, I opened stocks and shares ISA with them. And like I said, I started it off as a fun account, and I only wanted to ever buy Bitcoin proxies. And I won't recommend that at all if you're just starting out. But towards the end of last year, I decided to take the account a bit more seriously and decided to move my stocks into the ETFs. So I sold those Bitcoin proxies at a loss and moved them to these two ETFs. So let's get started. So my total account value at the minute is £2,096, and you can see that my rate of return is negative 37.7%. And like I shared earlier, that's because of when I sold those stocks at a loss. So if we have a look at my two holdings there, I have iShares S&P 500 IITU, and I have £1,104 there, and is returned negative 7.2%. The next holding that I have is NASDAQ 100, and I have £971 with minus 7.27% return. So if we have a look at my purchases for this month, generally I tend to deposit £250 every month. So at the start of this month, I've made my purchases for IITU, the two purchases I've made, and then I've made a purchase for NASDAQ 100, nearly £40 went to NASDAQ 100. So if you have a look at my total account, you can see my unrealized account. My unrealized result is negative 7.23%, and that's what my account balance should have been, or my performance should have been, if it wasn't for the fact that I started off buying those stocks. And you can see that IITU is about 53% of my entire portfolio here, and NASDAQ 100 is just about 46.8%. So that's it for this month. If you want to take a look at my self-invested personal pension portfolio update, I'll leave the link here as well for you. Thank you so much for watching.